up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Where Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, please. Any newcomers, welcome to the family. And family, what's up, familia? So yeah, without further ado, y'all, today's video is going to be something very different. And I know a lot of people can relate. And basically today's topic is gnats. Those things that just be all up in your face, all in your house, won't let you breathe, won't let you eat. Now, sometimes, you know, when you think of gnats, you'll say, ugh, if you got gnats, that means your house is dirty, you don't take out your trash, you got dirty laundry sitting around on the floor, you got food just out, you don't disinfect your home. Yeah, that could be the case in some aspects, but that doesn't always apply. Because I know that don't apply to me. Okay. But yes, y'all, I've been noticing and I've been hearing other people say that they're having issues with gnats. And in my case, I live near a park. And baby, when I tell you, like, when I come to my house, I'm literally trying to, like, be Speedy Gonzalez. Because I know there's going to be a gnat that comes in the door with me. And it's like they're just always outside. And it's just ridiculous. So I did some research and did my little spin and tweak on it. And y'all, I'm gonna help y'all get away and get rid of gnats. So the first thing you want to do is get a container that you don't mind using. Now this is gonna be strictly for gnats, so once you use this, you ain't gonna be able to use it for yourself. So I have this little cup, and you want to fill it up with lukewarm water, not scalding hot, just lukewarm water. That water that you left on your nightstand through the night that you thought you was gonna drink and you didn't, it's just sitting here. Go use that, put it in the container. So as you can see, because I don't want to spill the water, this is just a regular size little cuppy, and it's halfway filled up with water. Okay. I got some plastic utensils that's disposable. I'm gonna throw these away once I'm done. So you're gonna need a spoon and a knife, some dishwashing liquid. I don't care if it's name brand or non-name brand. In this case, I'm going to be using some palm olive. You're going to need some apple cider vinegar. This is just organic, but you can use regular apple cider vinegar, and some honey. And this is just some raw honey. But if you have some syrup, you know, that you put on your pancakes and stuff, you can use that. So let's get into it. I want to make sure y'all see me. So first, you're going to take this lukewarm water. Okay, this is the catcher. This is the trap. But we're about to make this concoction that I tell you, it works. Like, it really works. So first, you want to take your apple cider vinegar. As you know, this stinks. It's pretty strong. So I'm going to open this. Take your spoon, and you want to just do 2 tablespoons. Put that in there. As a matter of fact, do a 3rd one. So that's that. So we put that away. Now, you know, when you open up the apple cider vinegar, it's strong. It's always going to be strong. So if you don't know, gnats like food. Whether it's trash, food that you're trying to eat, they like food. But, you know, gnats, insects, whatever the case may be, they're always attracted, like, for example, ants. They're attracted to sweet stuff. So, like, sugar and stuff like that. So, basically, you want to kill this strong apple cider vinegar smell with this honey. Yes, honey is expensive, but this is, you know, it's going towards a good purpose. So, you want to put enough honey in here. And just stir this up a little bit. This is the water of apple cider vinegar. So then you want to put enough honey up in here to kill the smell. So you, every so often, just smell it. If you can still smell the vinegar, keep on adding, because you want to smell a sweetness. Okay, so now it's starting to kill the smell, and even, and even stir it, even though eventually it's going to settle at the bottom, but still just stir it up and smell it again. It needs a little bit more. And depending on your container, you want to fill up that container with half of water. So fill it up halfway with the water. Okay, come on, I'm just going to squeeze a little bit more. I know it looks wasteful, but it's not. Okay, that's better. So it doesn't smell as strong. Then next, you're going to put about 10 drops of this dishwashing liquid. So basically the honey and the dishwashing liquid, when the gnats, you know, poking around and eventually go in the water, it's going to trap them. So basically they're not going to be able to touch the water and swim back up. So it's very, very important that you use either honey or syrup, but you definitely have to use dishwashing liquid. So I usually put in about 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And once you smell it, like, you'll smell the more of the honey and the dishwashing liquid. And it's okay if it has bubbles in it, because that doesn't matter. Because basically, when I tell you, those gnats, once they get up in there, I'm sorry it's not funny, but these gnats are causing the issue. So once they get up in there, they get stuck. And I usually put this in my kitchen. So I sit it like in the kitchen in a space that's like not near food or any of the dishes. Sit it just somewhere. If you have like a ledge in your kitchen, sit it there. See, my kitchen is connected to my front door or my side door that I come in, so it's like they always come in that way. So always sit it somewhere where you're having an issue with gnats all the time. If you have, you know, if you notice gnats in your room, if you got like a ledge or a table or somewhere that's not too occupied, just sit it there. And when I tell you, let it sit for a day or two, and once you check it, you're going to be surprised. So that's that, y'all. And I'm also going to insert either probably a picture. I made this concoction for my homegirl because her job was having an issue with gnats. And when I tell y'all, I'm going to try to put it somewhere up in here, y'all. Do y'all see all those gnats? Like, seriously. So since this is my fresh batch, I'll show you the one that I made, y'all. This is probably going to be nasty, but this is the one that I made that was in my kitchen. All of those little things are gnats. I don't know if y'all can see it. You see them? All of them are gnats. I'm telling you, this is their kryptonite. I'm not trying to be nasty, but yes, all of those are gnats. So once again, you just need this. And we didn't really need that fork, y'all. I think I was just... This. Or you can use some regular honey. It don't have to, you know, be this, you know, honey like this. As long as it's just honey. And this. I'm telling you, it will get your life all the way together, y'all. So yeah, I hope I didn't gross y'all out. I hope I did help anyone that has this issue like I do. And I'll see you guys on the next video.